Wave. Good, beautiful morning, internet world. We're down here at the Terry Fox Run. I need more info on it before I give you an intro, so let's go.
From Sarnia, Ontario. That's correct.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's episode. Today, we're down at Canatera Park here in Sarnia, Ontario, participating in the Terry Fox Run. This is our 4th year.
Yep,
and
every year we walk for Wendy, Jeff's mom. We lost her 4 years ago to leukemia, and we walk in her honor every year. So this year we've got 35 people, which is awesome. We're trying to get our team bigger and better every year, and we're getting there slowly but surely. One year we're going to take home the trophy.
That's right, yeah. We also walk for Alex, too.
Yep. Alex is Jeff's cousin's son, and he had liver cancer, and he's a survivor, which is amazing. So they actually get to walk with the survivors group first, which is such a good thing.
We just want to thank everybody who came out, whether you're on Team Leo or Wendy's Walkers or any team. We just want to thank you for coming out. You're supporting a good cause, and
one that's very near and dear to our heart.
That's right. So come along with us, won't you? I forgot to mention we brought the drone today, so we're gonna send that up in the air and get a few shots. I think everybody's still walking. We've just finished a couple of laps.
We did 5K. That's pretty good.
We were able to get the drone up. DJ Iron Eagle is her name.
Oh, man.
So if you enjoyed that footage, go ahead, hit the thumbs up. Nice. Great job, guys.
Thank you everyone for coming out.
Yeah.
We really appreciate it. This is it's It's always fun. It's a great way to start your Sunday morning.
Thank you for coming out, and thank you for watching.
Yeah, we
So,
appreciate it.
bye for now. If you're looking for a reason to subscribe, click this link on over here and watch that video. Thank you to everybody who donated this year. We managed to raise $2,200. We've raised 30 some odd hundred in the previous years, so we just want to again say thank you to everybody who came out, and especially those who donated to help fund Terry Fox cancer research. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.